How to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, if you've activated sleep mode on Instagram but want to turn it off, maybe for late night browsing or to get all your notifications, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen to open the main menu. From the menu, tap on Time Management. This is where all the tools to control your app usage are stored. Inside Time Management, you'll see the option for Sleep Mode. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see a toggle switch. Just tap the switch to turn it off. It'll go gray or inactive, confirming that sleep mode is now disabled. Disabling sleep mode will restore your push notifications, reactivate your activity status, and remove any scheduled quiet hours you had set before. If you ever want to tweak or re-enable it, you can come right back to this menu and adjust it anytime. It's totally flexible. And that's it, you've successfully turned off sleep mode on Instagram. If this walkthrough helped, be sure to like this video, leave a comment if you've got questions, and subscribe for more quick how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.